Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a website like Gumtree or Craigslist or any similar where the people can sell their stuff like house or find a job or any different. And for this we are going to use CMS called e-commerce CMS.org, and this CMS is built on Laravel. And why we have to use uh, the Laravel? At the moment, Laravel is one of the most um, popular framework on the market. So many company they don't want to use some kind of different CMS. They use the Laravel for their projects because it's secure and it's safe. And for this, we're going to download the e-commerce CMS. And the next step, we're going to buy a hosting. For our website. Many hosting company, about 8%, they use the cPanel for control the hosting. It's a control management of hostings. And but if your hosting is not doesn't have a cPanel, you go any other panel like Plesk or S panel or some similar panel. You just have to find a file manager and go to public HTML, and on the main folder, if you already have a domain on this, you go to the domain path. For example, I already installed a domain like tac99.com, and I already download the e-commerce. I will download it and upload it on my hosting. You have to just go on the upload, select file, go to the file where you download page, and you wait until it's done. And after press reload, and you get something similar like this. Extract. Wait until the extract is done, and go to. I'm gonna open it in the new window and write it tac, where is the domain name, and it say to me it's like this. The next step is to create a database. You go to MySQL database and you copy tac, create database. Just copy the database name, go back, and after create a user. I do create a user with the same name like database. I just enter tac, and password generate. I have copied, use it, generate password, go back, and next step I have to link the user to database. Add, just press alt privilege, and going into the password. If you use the MariaDB, you have to just choose MariaDB. If not, leave it MySQL. Next step is it say to me there is a problem. Probably I didn't enter the make changes. I forgot make changes. Next, yeah. It say to me enter the website name. The website name I'm gonna call it uh, uh, platform where to sell your stuff. Admin name, just call it any name. Admin, gonna call it admin. Support and password, this is the password for admin, and login for the admin. I'm gonna go for 123 at the moment, but if you, I do not recommend to enter 123. I do recommend to enter a strong password and then go to the next step. is install. uh, I'm gonna copy it and go back to my window, and I'm gonna look it. It look pretty good, and go to admin. Where is the admin? And support. Why it's is different language, and language select and all language, and try make it default. Make default. Remove it. You don't have to do this step, just skip it. Well, okay. Um, okay, so there we are. The next step, we have to go to themes and go back to the CMS, go to themes, detail, download. You have to buy it, and after you buy, you're gonna go to orders, and you are going to have the access to the theme. It will be like theme name and download. You download the theme, and I already done this, and well, the theme name is advertise. Add new theme. Activate it, and update, and we are seeing a page like this. But in my case, it go to the next step is go general settings. General setting, I'm gonna select a page for my home page. My home page is gonna have a custom home page. I select home ADS2 update, and the next step I'm gonna to 70 to 70. What is this thumbnail size? Even I'm here on this place. A thumbnail size is the image of when people upload they advertise, the system is going to create two image, one big and one small one, to mimify the speed of loading of the page. The second one is crop image by dimension. If you want an image of the advertising ad look nice on the website, you just leave a crop image. If not, will look the image is gonna look this e-commerce are going to look like something similar like this, but in this case it's gonna crop a square image. If you leave it a crop image, and I'm gonna press update. I'm going to update my page, and the home page is gonna look something similar like this. I'm gonna go to next step is list of advertising. I'm gonna delete all of them because I don't need the default product of the CMS. Go to categories, action delete, apply. I'm gonna install the categories. But if you have a list of categories and or something like this, you have your categories, you just create one by one. But in my case, I already have it, so I install the categories, and when I update the website is gonna have something like this. So, and the next step is create the top USD. Again, change to USD. I'm gonna edit this menu, top menu, general settings menu, and go to pages, see what kind of menu, open link here, and we see the main menu is ID 54. We go to ID, oh, this one is ID 54, but in case you add one by one, it's going to be this one, top menu. I'm gonna add it. So uh, this is when I install the category, it automatically generate the menu. So I'm gonna show you, if in case you don't have installed it one by one. Category, and you go to product categories, and you have all the categories here. If you want to add all categories, this press on add all. If you want to add one by one, you just press add item. But in my case, I'm gonna add all of them. Motto, and we're going to see all the categories added. But I don't need to do these changes. So second step is create an icon. Add the icon to the menu. Car. Car. Update. For sale. Something for sale. Something like universal. Universe access. Universe. Property. Select. Build. Update. Jobs. What kind of icon for jobs? Job only this one. Oh, well, you might choose whatever you want. Service select shake. A handshake, and community people, say user yeah, this one, update, and bets, and select cut. Oh, let me change in this one. Let me add something, select icon plus circle one. I'm gonna add plus of circle update, and we are going to see our menu changing. Let's go to this menu, top menu. It's same menu, logged in 28, logged out 19, logged in 29. We go to menu again. Let me check again. 28, this one. What is this mean? Menu logged in show code. For example, this is the show code. Menu 28, this is ID of menu, and ID. It means when users are logged in, they see menu one menu. When they are not logging in the system, they see another menu. So when we go this one, okay, check out, no need check out. My orders, no need my orders. I'm gonna select it, wish list, yes, add. For wish list. If you wanna change the text, you do it menu name, change it here, and next is going to be uh, post node, select plus, no. Next is my ads list. Which one will be the best? Uh, yes, my ads and messages. Select comments, add comments. Let's put the message on the first place and log out and change the icon. Out, sign out, update and update. And if we do update, you're gonna see the top menu has been changed. And the second menu we have to create when users are not logged in. So we go here, 19, ID 19. We check the ID 19, edit. Okay, we no need this one. Select an icon that is going to be post an ad. No, plus. Select post an ad. Second one, let's keep the messages so the people could see it. There is some messages. No, comments. Other way, messages. Wish list. Art. I go to car check our registration. Wishlist on top. And wishlist. Sign in, sign out, sign in, sign up. We'll just leave it how it is. So when we go to new private windows, I'm no logging on new private windows, we're going to see this menu. Okay, there we are. Second step is edit the home page pages, and we find the home address too, and we go on the top some text. You may change it. The second one is search box. If search box, and you have to might change this car job, rent, jobs, rent, any. You may change anything. What's the fields? The fields mean update. I'm gonna show it to you. We go category and location. So I do took the fields and I go just down the search bar, but in case I'm gonna add the fields back. If you need just only the categories to be, just delete the location. If you need the category and location, leave it how it is. If you need only the location, just delete this one. So I'm gonna leave it how it is. The next step is this one. So you just go and duplicate it. If you go new one, select icon, title, link, go to the category, others categories, and for example you wanna do for sale, uh, copy link location, go to this one and remove this one and leave it a short one, just slash, remove the domain name, and after update, and oh, I forgot change the icon, anchor. Anyway, this is, I'm showing how to add or edit or or even remove all of them. And we go on the home page, we go category, this show code. What's the mean this show code? This show code is when you go to edit, show code, it's mean is going to add the list, add the others from the category number 12. Which one is number 12? Number 12, we go on the category ID. Category ID is number 12. It's going to mean we're going to show the list advertise the list ads from category motors, cars. Yes, it's from category cars. And the list for, you may change the category, for example show from category 26, the list product from category 26, and the limit 4, you could no limit to 4, you could limit to 15 or to even 20. Cancel. The next short code is list product limit 12, you may change this number, leave it 20, will be the list added products on the website, it doesn't matter which category. And after you do, press changes. So homepage is done. How to do work with this editor is pretty simple. And add this category. The next step is create a category. In this case you have your own category, or you have multiple category. You just add the list like car 1, like car 2, car 3, and make first line parent, or you select this parent. So if you select this parent, this uncheck this box. If you just select parent, check this box, and this line is going to be parent, and these two will be subcategories. But if you want to add one by one, add new, just go to this page, select parent. If you don't have parent, you just leave it how it is. CPU you may leave it, it will be automatically created. Just let's name it new category, new category. Make description, make keywords, just enter jobs, find job, or separate by comma. Price, if you go like when people are there advertising on this category, they just have to enter the price or just salary. If in case they add the job and the price is per hour, just leave, and when they add the category on let me show you, home, let me post an ad, and we go to category motors, cars, and or not motors, let's go to jobs, seconds, and you see the salary, and it's per hour, per day, per week, per month. I'll be like for this salary, like we need a Java developer, in our team need a Java developer, in our team needs a good Java developer. Send your CV, send your CV to Java at Java Java dev at C name or company name, domain name, d name, dot com, yeah, dot com. And we, for this position, they go about 150 or well, kind of 250, 1 2 3 1 2 3 no 250,000 per year for this position. I'm going into my 07. If in case you want to see the people could see the want to see the support, the email address, and select the name, the icon, what kind of icon, image. I now have jobs, image for jobs. Let me go to this and see what I go, what kind of image. Yeah, let me save desktop, save it. Well, the image is not good quality, but whatever, we're gonna leave it. This is for test. So this is for download. Let me change it. Save images again, downloads, save, and we'll just, yeah, I hope it's this one. Open it, and we are going to post the advertise. And if I'm going to categorize jobs, my advertise should be there, like details, whatever. In this case, if you want for this category, the image should be want to be here. You go to, yeah, I'm gonna explain to other category, like if we go to general, categories, jobs, for sale, property, jobs, and we just select this one. So it's going to mean the images for this category. I'm going to the private, new private, and when the people are going to update, when you enter on this page, they are going to see the image go on the left side. So what is this for? This is for if in case the bots don't want a salary 25,000 per year. I'm gonna add to wish list, and okay, so the next step, let me create one more advertise categories. Let's go for car, or let's go to main category. I'm gonna explain something. Like in this category, for example, this category is called motors and got a lot of subcategories. So you want to change the text, the price, like a price is going to be it's going to be no price, job, salary. So you switch on. If you go for this main category, and for all of these subcategory in this category, to post an ad is going to cost about $2 for the post, and for repost it's going to be $3 for this category. That's mean what it mean for the post when the people they add new advertising, and they have to pay only for the category motors and subcategories. The advertise going to cost $2 and for a post $3. And what is this? This is an option. When people they select this option, for example, others to stay on top of category, others ads to stay on top of category for 7 days. For 7 days, and our put price 20, and for an enter 7. Top tick. This is a shortcode where you may copy this shortcode and you home homepage for 3 days. Price will be 25 days 3. Save. I need to enter just only number. No any, just number, no dollars. I'm gonna save it. So you know, and when I'm go to back and I post an advertising, I like say motors, and add I wanna sell my car. And if I go to the top after post my ad, it will say to me this option. For example, if I select this option, the prices increase it. If say I want my ads to stay on home page, and I want my ads to stay in top the category, and if no, I just is $2 because I select $2. So let me show you. Select 2021 AC model. I don't know. Yeah. Doors 5. Select sport color white. Is it white color? Is the white color? Select electric, automatic, engine, no engine, mileage 20 mileage. Selling my golden BMW. Sell my BMW. Very nice car. Good car. Good car. So just select, and I go here. Actually, price 20,000. 20,000 dollars. Place, and I want to communication to be only by chat. So, and when I'm gonna post my ad, I'm going to payment. What kind of payment? I go direct bank transfer. I go pay by car. Actually, the pay by car we need to enter. The pay by car is made by Stripe, PayPal, direct bank transfer. Actually, I didn't set up pay by car and PayPal because I go to and enter the details. But I'm going to direct bank transfer, pay new, and I go to the orders where it say to me I paid $2 for posting my ads. So I'm going to motors, and I'm going to see my let's say I'm going to see my ad there. Well, if for the category motors, the for example only in one category the advertise is not free. For example, in this case you leave this empty for the parent category, like this one no need, this one no need. Just leave this option, and you go to the category like cars. For the category cars, the advertise are not free, it cost money, but for the rest is free. So you do this only for the category. Set these two fields only for this category, not for the main, because if you set for the main, it will go only for the main. For example, um, this go back to the main category, to motors, and we have one field or five fields what are repeated in all categories. So like new fields, like tested, like test text box full, let's say one, required one per line, and we press save. And when I go to post and add, select motors, cars, and we're going to see we're going to see my fields actually on any category. So this is a big plus. If you want the category to be in fields to be in the all the categories, you just make it on main category. If no, then you have to do is for separated for separated categories. Yeah, we go back to cars. So what we see, like E required, the people have to select it. What is this? Text box, checkbox, and select. Select text box is add new. Let's like a course. This is text box. This is select, and checkbox. People have to check. Suggestion, you go and enter the suggestion. You may enter no only one, you may enter like 1 2 3 4, like this suggestion. And you can add multiple suggestion for this one, for this category. Well, how to create a category you already know how to do this, and we go to list of others. List of others, we see two others, and for example, when people they add on the system, you and each ad have to go to moderation, and need moderation. You select need moderation, ads format, all the ads you select for all that. When people add the new ads, the format should be look something like this, or and if you go multiple language, like no only one language or two language, you just people multiple language, or post the advertise in one language, or post the advertise in multiple language. So is the rest, and after press save. But we're going to publish without moderation. Just keep it how it is. Now, what is address? Yes, at the moment we don't have any address. Like we may enter like New York, New Jersey, New Jersey. I'm not sure. I wrote it right. The New Jersey. So I never been to New Jersey. Yeah, Google New Jersey. How do you spell it? New Jersey, my friend. Jersey. New Jersey, Boston, like odd, and then we leave it city, like Borough. So city Borough. This is how I write Borough. Just let me write it. Borough city. If you need the people to enter the postcode, just enter the post code. If the people just only have to select the city and borough on this, just this one leave empty, and don't forget to switch on. Select, and this one should be required or not required. Just leave it update, and you may enter New York, like New York borough list. Borough list to Brooklyn, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, State Island, Bronx. uh, okay, so here we go. Manhattan. What this address? Manhattan one per line. uh, Brooklyn, Queens, and State of Iceland. State of Iceland, and press update. And right now, when I go back and post an ad, no, not this one. I'm not wrong. Yeah, on this one. And select postcode. So I'm gonna choose New Jersey. New Jersey, I didn't enter the borough, but in your case, you could enter not only borough address. You have to call it. You may call it the metro station, or this one, county, city, and postcode. Um, if I go to New York, I have to choose the where I have to post my advertise. So if you need this, you go to address and fill all of these fields, and the people who are going to post the advertising, they have to choose this one. What is this for? This is for example, I go to search bar and I have to choose where, for example, I live in I don't know, state of Iceland or Manhattan or Bronx or Brooklyn, and I am interested in the advertise only on this on Manhattan. For example, I'm looking for a bicycle to buy bicycle in Manhattan. I just choose Manhattan. I don't need to go to don't want to go to Brooklyn or Queen uh, to get the bicycle. Uh, so the next type is email address template. What is this email address template? This is you may edit this one. Yeah, feel free to edit. Just keep this show code, because this is the advertised list. When the people they post the advertising, they are going to get an email, or or when advertising is under moderation, and the admin say go live to the advertising is good, and they press approve, and they'll go are going to get an email. If you don't want to people get this email, just uncheck this box, enable, disable, and save. um, for example, we no need. Also, we go email template here. uh, this we have new account and reset password. When people they register on the website, they are going to get an email. So they're going to get an email like this. uh, so you feel free to edit how you need it. Just keep this shortcut email and password, and don't forget press save after the end. uh, and we go email ads template. not this one, an e-commerce and email template. And we go another one, reset password email. When the people they wanted to reset their password, and they're going to get an email with this one. So just keep only this one, reset URL, because when they automatically ask for reset password and the email is in the system, this one is going to replace with the real URL. uh, what else? We go currency. uh, Currency is USD, the main one, and we go only one currency on the website. We press update, where we press update, and we are going to have only one currency, uh, USD. If you don't need this one, you go to the back to pages here, uh, language and currency, uh, remove, just press edit, remove the currency, save it, update the page, and we have no currency. Oh, let's go big. Well, if it's big, let me add a 0 space, leave page. Yeah, it's back again. Well, you may enter language. The next step is language. We never talk about language, so we go here language. This is the language for admin panel. Actually, at the moment, support only few language, like Italian. Let's add to one language. And if we do not know how to, for example, we found yes, and automatically apply because we go on the top, currency, pages here, we go already this one. You see it? This show code is the language. It's gonna show the language. So you may keep it or you may delete it. Doesn't matter. If in case you found something a word, you may edit the word it here. For example, in the language Italian, and you want to blog or check out, change the checkout, or you found let's say it's minimax, let's say language max or min. I don't know, cannot find it. Whatever, you may edit here. We go chance to edit for this language here. Make default Italian or English, but we'll go to one language at the moment. Stick to one language. Users, this is the list of the users. General settings, menu, email settings. What does that mean, email settings? Sometime you want to go your email to go to SMTP. You select SMTP, enter your SMTP details. Also, if you use Gmail, you go to dog. How to make mail, go to Gmail SMTP and follow this steps. This is for Gmail, so follow the step. If you don't follow the step, then your Gmail will not work, or SMTP not work. After this, you go and test it. So let me go to it's already directed me to Italian language. If you go something like this, then add one language. Make default, and press on the English, make default again, and remove. Yeah, let me check if go motors. I go to car and go to. I don't have any private. The messages, new private windows. So go to the car and we do write a message. Hi, I want to buy your car. Want. Is that right? Send message. It asked me to create an account. You cannot send without signing in. Yeah, well, let me create an account like which name? Ricky. Ricky. Let's say enter the Ricky email. Ricky. Password. This is for creating an account. Yeah, and I'm gonna send send a message. This is also good stuff because many people they wanna ask by messages. This is private. This is not private. So let me wait for a while. Yeah, when you get new messages, it's going to show you that this is go change the color or say Ricky and cool come to New York come to New York. Okay, and right now when I go back to this one, to this I'm on different account. I should this one is go also. Okay, you see, this is a good start because many people don't communicate by messages. Whatever. I'm gonna close and see the message that were fine. And the second step is mobile version of website and call it iPhone 12. So on mobile version of the website we see actually something like this. Many of these advertising, many of this menu, they are also repeated on the bottom. You may keep it or you may hide on mobile, like go to pages, not pages, to hide. And for example, I don't want to see the top bar on mobile. I'm going to edit and hide on mobile. Save. Yeah, leave it. And when I update, the top bar is gone. You see? The top bar is gone because I got many of them they are here, but we don't have one. The user, the account. Yeah. My account you might add on the bottom. You know, on the bottom you have to keep the menu, this menu, and say my account, and the people they can find my account. That doesn't matter, it's not there. They just need the others list. Yeah, you see, this is a very cool category accessories and motors, cars, and see how it's looking on mobile. So yeah, whatever. If you wanna hide something, you just create hide on mobile and hide on desktop version, so you can play around with this one. What else? Yeah, we have the contact form. We get here the contact form. For example, we go back to motors and we go page like contact. The other pages are pretty simple, but contact have a Google Maps, have this one. So where to find it? You go to pages, find the page name contact, go to edit, and you are going to see a Google Map. Google Map looks something like this. Yeah, just press on edit and we see iframe. And go back contact, view larger. You go back to Google Maps, you put point wherever you want, we enter the address like Canary Wharf, London. Canary Wharf, London. And we go on office, where we go office, I don't know, just put the point here. Yeah, white rose, and you press share, embed, and copy, and contact, edit, update. We see, but we need to keep it 0000. Update. We see change, and we might change this information like phone number. We enter hours, this one, uh, and we go the shortcode of the form ID 333234. We go to pages contact form, and 3334 form. We could create many contact form many you want. So we go name, email, messages, keep it required, button send message, after send message send successful. This is the text, and email to. This email to is when people write drop a message here like, and this will go to your email, so you enter this email like to support or any mail we want. Also we go one more steps. We see on the home page this search bar we not have on the top. When we go to other page, we have the search bar here. So where to edit this search bar here? You go again to pages. We have this after header home and after header not home. Leave this page. After header home, and this is the search. If we delete it, save it, and we update it, this one gone. So search, if you need to edit search here, go keep it, but in this case you have to delete everything, if you don't need a search even here. But if you need it, leave it. So remember, pages after header not home. After header, this is the header, this is not the header. Did I press save? And then when I update it back, I see my search is back. Also we got the right sidebar on this page. We go to motors, cars, and we see low options here. We go low options. What is this option? This option actually are the, for example, we're looking for a car from 2020. Actually we go one car. Why is in 2021? This option are the fields of the category. For example, ads, categories, and we go cars. So this is the option, yes, make, and when you go to the category car, actually it will show this option. But if you may edit like pages, shop sidebar. On shop sidebar we go subcategory where you need to add here like an advertising. You just enter the advertising. If you need to add the HTML, you could use this one to enter the HTML. Press update. For example, we take the price sort, update, and you see the price sort is gone. We no need the to show the categories to this one, so we just keep it like this. Or we no need the option. uh, we need just the category and this one, so we take the option. Take off this shortcode. Actually this is called shortcode. We just copy and paste, very easy. Yeah, one more categories, and motto, and we go for this topic. We copy this shortcode and put it on each page you want, like put it on the home page, pages, home others, and replace this one. For example, keep a topic, update, something, let me edit. It's actually, and paste like a simple text. Okay, like a simple text, no need any top, and we go to home page, and we go topic. Actually we have no products on topic. Whatever, when it will be products it will show. Next step is logo, and change this icon on top. What to, in this case I go to header again, edit logo, and no, apply the logo, download, yeah, whatever, make it look bit not that small, and I enter the URL. Is this tab is right? Slash, that's mean this is when the people press on this logo will go to home page. Save it. No, whatever, this is fixed. Yes, this is fixed because I go a little bit old version of the e-commerce. Whatever, when you install this will not be, this will look good, will not be like this. So update it. Whatever, general settings. Well, okay, let me fix it. Call and this. Yeah, well, let me do it hard way. Yeah, save it, leave it. Update and gonna look something like this. Whatever, if you don't like it, you may choose like check it. If you go long menu, you may change the design like simple sidebar and like logo on the top and the menu on the bottom. You may go like this. Uh, just use one of like one of these. Let me show you. Menu ID menu 54. Enter the 54. Update. Uh, go and I'm gonna press and add one 100% size, and I'm gonna enter the logo here. Oh no, logo, and make it on the middle. Enter the URL home. Update, and I'm going to delete this block. So just mimify the 0 and this one. Keep it 0 and let me change it. Oh, let me add one full block. Yes, and move this and put on the top. This one separate and change the background. I will update. Save. Yes, this is in case if you have if you have a long menu and you go this way, change the top menu design. Whatever, you may change the background, like set the background, don't know, let's say the blue one. Save. Let me add some space, like 5. Update, save, leave this page. I don't know if someone like it, but not look so bad. Yeah, not look so bad. It look nice. And let me try it and change it and go here. Change it the color white. Save. Yeah, well, yeah, that's look. Well, I'm gonna show a version. So if you go long menu, so you're gonna need to go this way. Yeah, you see, I go the list 2, they look a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller, that's mean. Uh, yeah. What else? What else? What else? Blog. Blog is. Where is the blog? Uh, if you have a blog, you go to menu and select the menu where you want to add the blog, and get the link for this, and add the blog. And in my case, when I'm gonna update, the the blog is going to be on the bottom category page. Actually, we have no categories, we have no post here. For that is say train, no blog. But if we go to posts, create add new, create la 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 la, and save it, and you can see. Yeah, well, that's it at the moment. I hope I did explain anything, and if you have any question, ask it on the comment below. Feel free, and